What now?
I'm done for now.
With?
Work.
Which is?
Done
For now?
for now.
Yeah, the energy, the way it would kind of flow and then shift and surprise you. It felt. What? I think it felt dangerous. Like he'd be hitting at one thing, right? And then bam, he'd suddenly go this way. And I'm thinking, why does this sound so good?
Yes.